What is polished concrete and is it right for your facility? Whether you're managing a warehouse, retail store, or manufacturing facility, this video will show you exactly what polished concrete is and whether it's the right fit for your needs. Polished concrete is a flooring system that transforms your existing concrete slab into a smooth, hardened, and polished surface without adding coatings or overlay. It's created by mechanically grinding the surface, filling imperfections, applying a densifier, and polishing to your desired gloss level. Benefits are durability. Polished concrete resists heavy traffic, abrasion, and wear. Perfect for forklifts, foot traffic, or production lines. It's low maintenance, no waxing, no special chemicals, just regular dust mopping and occasional damp cleaning with a neutral cleaner. It's cost effective, lower install and maintenance costs compared to many other systems. Most projects range from $3 to $6 per square foot. Aesthetic appeal. From matte to high gloss, polished concrete brightens up your space and can even reduce lighting costs. Polished concrete does require a structurally sound slab. It won't hide cracks or stains without patching, and while it can be stain resistant, it's not chemical proof like some coating. If you need resistance to acids, a urethane cement or epoxy system might be better. Every floor is customized to meet your facility's traffic usage and safety needs. Are you still wondering if polished concrete is right for you? Contact us today by requesting a quote on our website or calling us at 847-651-9699. We'll help you make the right choice for your floor and your business.